What do I need to start a YouTube channel? So this is a mini course I created for YouTube beginners. You can watch this course and create your own channel the same day and upload your first video. Why YouTube channel? Having a YouTube channel allows you to upload your own videos, and those videos you can share on other social medias. And video marketing is the best method of the marketing. If you are an entrepreneur, that is going to help your marketing. But if you are a beginner, I'm not going to talk about marketing and other stuff. I'm just going to talk about how you can start your YouTube channel. And before I explain about the course, I'm going to talk about why video is more important than text. I'm going to show you 5 ways why video is more important than the text. Number one is video grabs people's attention. So, suppose everybody is scrolling on their phone or on their laptop on Facebook, and when you see a video, you are more likely to click and watch the video than the text. So, video grabs people's attention faster than the text. And if there is a ad, you are more likely to click the ad if it is a video ad than the text ad. So number two is video. I have made a list over here, so I do not want to skip any, and I'm going to read from here. Video engages viewers. Then there is a simple text and there is a video on other side. So which one you are going to choose? You are going to obviously like to watch the video. This is what I do when I am online. I like to prefer to watch more videos than reading text, and that is because of my eyesight. But that is not the reason, because video is more personal, and then you can know the person better, and then you are know who is behind this website or behind this text, who is talking. So when you see person's face, you have more personalized experience with the person. And number three is video brings more traffic to your website. If you are an entrepreneur just like me, I have my website sarvjitsandunetwork.com, and if you have a website, video is going to bring you more traffic. So results have shown that video increases traffic on your website way more than simple text. And when I started making video in 2016, I was making in the beginning, everybody's makes horrible videos. I'm not gonna say I was making horrible videos, but right now I'm making better videos because I know more about the lighting, I know more about the camera, and I know more about the natural light, because right now I am sitting here in natural light. I have no lights except my my office light is on, and I do not have a diva ring, but people are using diva ring, and that gives more lighting and better brightness to your video. So hopefully I'll be buying that soon, but right now I'm just using natural lighting. So where was I'm not going to go away from my topic. I was explaining why videos are more important than text. I give you 5 reasons, and I talk about 2 reasons. Number one is video grabs people's attention, and number two, video video engages viewers, and number three, video gives more traffic to your website, and number four is videos are more memorable and help recall your brand. Suppose if you were usually when I shop online, the other day I was shopping for curtains on JCPenney. So I wanted to know which kind of curtains they are. Instead of reading all the text, I just prefer to click and watch the video, and video explained easily what material is there and which kind of patterns they are. So that gave me all the information I was looking for. Video are now, I even though it's been 6 months I purchased, not 6 months, 1 year I purchased my curtains, but I still remember what was the video about and which kind of information it gave it to me. So videos are more memorable and help recall the brand. When you remember, if you watch the video, then you can remember, oh, that was that brand. So video helps recall the brand and it stays longer in your memory than text. Text we read every day and we forget, but videos are going to stay there in your memory for a long time. And number five reason, last but not the least, it is video helps increase the buying intent. When somebody watches your video, it helps them more to go for buying intent, because when somebody is reading text, they don't know who is the person behind this product or website or offer or something like that. When you are watching video, then you know that this is the person. Okay, if I need help, I can contact this person, and you know the face of the company or the product. So right now I'm going to talk about my course. What do I need to create a YouTube channel? What do I need to start a YouTube channel? Let me say it rightly. It's a mini course I created and it has 5 modules. And after watching those 5 modules, you will be able to start your YouTube channel the same day, and you can even upload your video the same day. And you do not have to wait for the fancy things and fancy product to start your YouTube channel. If you're thinking, oh, I'm going to buy some fancy camera and then I will start making the YouTube channel, or if you're thinking, oh, I will buy my new phone, then I will make YouTube videos and then I will start my channel. You do not have to think like that at all. Start wherever you are, use whatever you have, because these days all these iPhone cameras are very good and you can make video with them and upload with them right away. And right now I am before I was using my cell phone all the time for making my videos, my iPhone, and right now I'm using a Logitech camera. I have started using this for a couple of months. I was using my cell phone all the time for making videos. They are pretty good, and cell phone camera is really very good. But right now I'm using this Logitech camera, and I bought on Amazon for 200 around $200, something like that. I don't remember the exact price. And I'm using the camera's speaker. I'm not using any other special speakers. But if you are using other better speaker, it's much better. But start wherever you are, do with whatever you have. So you can start your YouTube channel, and I'm going to tell you right now, if you are starting your YouTube channel with my mini course, then I'm offering a free review of your channel for the time being, and I don't know when this offer is going to disappear. So take advantage of this, and I will see you again with another video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.